Hello CI Scholar, I am Anjali Sinha, your social studies educator from Countryside International School. So today we are going to discuss about the economics, the first chapter, the story of village Palampur. So today we are going to discuss about some important fact regarding the distribution of land in the village, okay? And we will also discuss about the surplus production in the village, and we will also discuss about that government has set up the minimum wages for these farmers. If they are working for one day, they are getting 300 rupees per day. But in this chapter you will find that there are some character in this story and they are getting only 160 rupees, or few are getting only 100 rupees. So this one is the condition regarding the farmers. It is pathetic. So we will go through with the chapter and learn more about it. So let's start. Class 9, Social Science, Part 3, Economics, the story of village Palampur. So we'll continue with the story. You have seen what's going on in this story. Now, today we are going to discuss about the fourth point of the story. How is land distributed between the farmer of Palampur? See here, in this Palampur village, there are total 450 families. Understood? And among them, total 150 families, they are the landless. They don't have any land. Only 240 families, they are having very small plot of land, that is less than 2 hectares in size. That means very few are having the big land, and many farmers, they are poor in this village. So we are having today some stories also in this chapter, right? So just see here the land distributed between the farmer of Palampur. Just see here, you will find out that some plots are very big, right? And some plots are very small. So you just find out from this picture that the distribution of the land is not equal. Only few lands are very big and rest of the lands are small. And just see, this one is the smallest one. How small farms are there. Understood? Small fields are there. So these all are the poor people belonging. This one is the middle people, and this one is the large farmers, because these all are the big land. Now, who will provide the labor? Labor is also very important. So now we are going to discuss about the conversation between the Dala and Ramkali. Dala and the Ramkali, basically they are the landless labor. Understood? They don't have the land. They are working on the daily wages in the Palampur. So let's go for their conversation, what they are doing the conversation. Just see here. This one is your Dala and this one is your Ramkali. They are talking about, they are very poor. Fine. And this Dala, he has already taken 2000 rupees loan from the money lender. And again he is taken 1000 rupees loan. And he is not able to get the job, so that he will return the money to the money lender. Understood? And this one is the Ramkali, and she is also not getting the work, and whatever they are getting the work, that is also in very limited number of days, and after that they are getting jobless. So even she is thinking about that what next. Then she is thinking, instead of doing work in the ground or in the field, let's move to the brick making unit in Raiganj, that is near to the Palampur. And she is also talking that our situation is day by day also very bad, because even money lenders, they are also not supposed to give us the land or money to them, because they have not given back the money that they have taken it from the money lenders. So the situation is very bad for these farmers, and they are the poorest one in the village of Palampur. Just see, basically in the villages, what we are doing, we are having the farming. People are engaged in spreading the pesticide. They are using the tractors these days. That's why the manual work is decreasing in the village also. Now this one is a very important fact. What government has announced that the laborers who are working, they are supposed to pay 300 rupees per day if they are working in any farm. But Dalasi only get rupees 160. That means Dala get very less amount of money. Why they are working at very low cost? Because they don't have any other option. They don't have any other choice. And they are having a very high competition in the Palampur. That's why people are agree to work for lower wages. Fine, this one is the situation. Now, the capital needed in farming. You already know that capital is required, then only anything is possible, like farming also. In villages, how can the farmers, they take the money? Simply they are borrowing the money from the big farmers or money lenders, and they are charging very high interest rate, and it will be very difficult or distress to repay the loan. So this type of situation are coming in the Palampur. Just see here, we are having the one more story, Tejpal Singh and Savita. Tejpal Singh, he is a big landowner, understood, big farmer, and Savita, she is the medium or the middle farmer. She is taken the loan from the Tejpal Singh, and he talk about the interest rate of 24% for 4 months. So which is very high interest rate, and her wage is very quite low also. And Savita is also ready to work on the Tejpal Singh's land to harvest season at rupees 100 per day. Just think about, government has fixed 300 rupees, and this Savita, she is getting only rupees 100. So somewhere she is exploited and she is having very low wage, right? Now we are going to discuss about the sale of surplus farm product. What happened? Again we are having the two character in this. One is the Govind son and Savita. What happened? They are the small farmers and they are growing the crops and they are keeping their share for their family. Understood? And rest of the thing they are selling in the market. But the Tejpal Singh, he is the very big, large farmer. He sells the product, surplus product in the market, and they are also saving the money and buying the cattle, trucks, or to set up shops. That means they are having the extra profit. They are not only using the product for their family, as well as they are having the surplus, means extra production. They are using for the buying the truck, cattle, etc. Right? So thank you. This one is your chapter. Go through it, and till then, bye. Take care.